It's been a while, hasn't it? Apologies for not uploading for the last 6, 7 weeks. If you're a long time subscriber, then you'll know that I normally will always take off December. I've just been a little late getting back to it. Now, in today's video, I'm going to share a review of a product called TikTok Affiliate Insider. Now, I'm excited about this product because it's my own product and training. So, whilst I went ahead and took December off, I was trialing and testing a case study over for members in my private Facebook group. Now, we started this case study, and you can see on the screen here, this down here, where the numbers within our first month from this method, okay? It's unbelievable, starting from scratch, okay? So that was month one with this, okay? But then scroll down here, I'll show you this. This was how much we earned in month two. £5,500. That's a little over $7,000 with what you're going to learn inside of the TikTok Affiliate Insider. So basically, I did a case study. We documented the case study for 40 days. As I was going through the case study, I was learning. I went down the rabbit hole. I found out a lot more information about the method. And then I created this training platform over here. This is the product and the training that I'm going to share with you today, or review with you. Now, in terms of this, what is the method? Well, the product is called TikTok Affiliate Insider. It's essentially making use of the TikTok affiliate side of their shop, their e-commerce platform, and becoming an affiliate for them. Now, the great thing about this method is anybody can do this without any skills, without any experience. You don't have to be on camera. You don't even have to talk if you don't want to. Now, inside of this training, this is everything that I did to achieve these results on the screen that you can see here. Ridiculous, isn't it? Starting from scratch. So, inside of the members area, the training over here, we have got the live case study. So, this was the first 40 days of this method starting from scratch. Now, I'll quickly scroll down here and I'll show you this. Okay, so let's just come down here and you can see what we're doing. But with this method here, you can see, let me just scroll this up. I earned my first commission on day 2 using this method, okay? And here's the thing about this method as well, okay? Whilst we're using TikTok, inside of the TikTok app, they have their own video creator whereby they will create the video for you. They will then embed your affiliate link into the video and then they will share it on the TikTok platform. It's unreal, it really is. So in this method, it took 48 hours for me to earn my first commission. People who I've shared this method with have actually got better results than me. We've seen people get results the same day within 24 hours of using this method. Now, throughout this case study here, you can see we document every single day of this. And I'm just going to drag this down to the bottom so you can see. The end result with this was I actually became the #1 affiliate in the whole of the UK starting from scratch, okay? And if I scroll back up here, you can see in one day alone, 40, we earn over 2 grand in a day. Could you imagine starting a method from scratch and by day 40 you earn over 2 grand? It's ridiculous, okay? So that there is what is inside of the training area there. That's just one part of this, okay? So that is the full 40-day case study inside of here. Now, obviously, as I was going through this case study, it was all new to me and I was learning about it. So as I was going through this, I was documenting and learning some different training. So in this section here, this TikTok shop for affiliates, we go over everything. So how to get started with this method, the required to get into the affiliate program, lots more stuff. Then we cover how to find products on TikTok. I share with you how to get free products because believe it or not, there's thousands of free products on the platform available for anyone. Okay? We cover linking to this, how to find the best selling items, and then I took it a step further. So what I've done here for the members of this is you can see we've got monthly products to focus on. Every single month I've created, I'll show you one now. So we'll open up June. And we can see these are the products that I am focusing on myself when it gets around to June. So we'll be looking at summer clothing, pool accessories, grilling and barbecue supplies, outdoor furniture, etc. So every month, if you're doing this method, you just go into here, click on the month, and it will give you all of the information and all of the products that we need to be focusing on. Okay, pretty straightforward and simple. Then if we come back up here, so we've got that. Then I share with you how to create videos, and there are so many different ways we can do this. So there are one product accounts whereby we're focusing on one product. The whole account is geared around that one product. If I come down here, I share with you how to get TikTok to make your videos. We then look at many more stuff, so like how to use B-roll and stock footage, sharing the TikTok shop, and there's more content inside of here. Once we've done this, we then go over the video process, the overview of this, the SEO, we look at the top creators. I also share with you description IDs, and I go over a live video upload. So I'm doing this live so you can see exactly what I'm doing in here. And then we also have partnering with an agency. So that is all included in there. And then as a bonus to try and go that extra step for anyone who signs up to this, we've then got this whole section on TikTok down here. So we've got another case study. So in this down here, got 2,000 followers in 7 days and earned over $180. Again, full case study, going through everything we did to achieve those results. And then other bits in here, so TikTok must-use tools, easy TikTok money, understanding TikTok, and lots more. But essentially, come up here. Essentially, this product or this training membership site is all geared around signing up and joining the TikTok affiliate program. Once you're inside of that program, the potential with this is genuinely absolutely ridiculous. And I thought potentially after Christmas in January now, the sales and everything was going to slow down. It hasn't. It's continued going on this upwards trajectory. I couldn't say that, got it. Trajectory. It's just been absolutely crazy. Okay, so look, this is what it looks like inside of the membership area. There is nothing left out inside of here. Everything I've done to earn this income on here is all inside of there. Anything I've learned whilst going through the case study, it's all included in the membership area. Okay, and here's one last thing I'll say to you about this. Okay, my son, who is 10, he started this method. To date, he has earned over $1,000 using this method. He's 10. It's ridiculous. So look, this is the sales page on here. You will see, not only will you see my results and of my son's results and all of the different free samples that you can get from the TikTok shop, you'll also see results in here from members. So people who have actually gone through this training, taken action, and got started with this. So we can see on here, look, Patrick started uploading videos yesterday, got my first sale at 7:15 this morning. Within 24 hours, he had earned £24 with this method from scratch. Come down here, Jay started uploading videos on Sunday night. Short version is he earned some money. Scroll further on the page here, look, I've generated another sale whilst I was sleeping. That's again someone here first week trying the TikTok shop method, sharing the results. Then we've got someone down here again sharing their results. And you'll see lots more testimonials and feedback over on the sales page for this, because like any product or training that's shared into the marketplace, it's all done live. It's all got case studies. It's backed by proof. And you can come in and ask me any questions about this method, okay? Oh yeah, you also get a private Facebook community with this training as well. So look, that is today's video. It is called the TikTok Affiliate Insider, and it covers everything that we did and are currently doing to build a passive income online using TikTok without any knowledge, without any skills, any experience. You don't need a website, you don't need an email list, and realistically, you could get this method up and running today. You could. So yeah, look, if you have any questions, let me know. But as always, take care, and I'll see you soon.